Now we will learn about ordering. This type of questions appear in every papers of your O-level exam, where you are asked to arrange some number in ascending order, starting from the smallest one and ending to the greatest one. Here you can see the question, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. The first example, 500 meter, 5 centimeter, 50 kilometer, 500 millimeter. This is not the case that you need to calculate all of them. We will start from the smallest one and we will end with the greatest one. Seeing the unit, we can very easily determine which one is the greatest. Here you can say that 50 kilometer is the greatest here. Kilometer is obviously much greater than meter or centimeter or millimeter. So 50 kilometer, this will be placed at the last position. Meter is greater than centimeter and millimeter. So 500 meter is obviously greater than 500 millimeter and 5 centimeter. So 500 meter will be placed in the second position. Now 5 centimeter and 500 millimeter, which one is greater or which one is smaller? If we equate the units, if we want to express this as centimeter, 500 by 10 centimeter, you know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, that means 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. So 500 millimeter means 500 by 10 centimeter, that means 50 centimeter. This is 50 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. Which one is smaller? This one is smaller. So here we will place 5 centimeter and this thing will be placed here, 500 millimeter. This is the answer of question number 1. Now come to the second example. Here you are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 data and you need to arrange them in ascending order. That means you will start from the smallest and end to the largest. In these 5 places we will place these 5 numbers. You can see that these 3 numbers are negative numbers, so they are smaller, and this one is the only positive number, so it will be the largest number, 3 by 4. So this is placed here. 0 is a non-negative number, 0 will be placed here, and these 3 negative number, you need to decide which one is the smallest. -1, this is the least value, -1. And what about this -17 by 20 and -4 by 5? You need to convert them in decimal form. -17 by 20, if we multiply both by 5, we get here -85 by 100, that means -0.85. And we know that 4 by 5 means 0.8, minus 4 by 5 means -0.8. So -0.8 and -0.85. Which one is smaller? This one is smaller. Hence, we will write it here, -17 by 20. And -0.8, this will be placed here, -4 by 5. We solved 2 of the problems. Now the third problem. 2 cube, 3 square, 4 to the power 0, 5 to the power -1. This is very easy. 2 cube means 8. 3 square means 9. 4 to the power 0, anything to the power 0 is 1. And 5 to the power -1 means 1 by 5. So which one is the smallest? You can clearly see that 1 by 5 is the smallest. That means 5 inverse. This is the smallest. Then 1, that means 4 to the power 0, then 8, 2 cube, and finally 9. This is the greatest, 3 square. This is the answer of the third question. And the fourth one, 3 values are given, 110 minutes, 1 whole 3 by 4 hours and 6500 seconds. What can we do? We can convert all of them in same unit. Which unit should we prefer? We can convert all of them in seconds. 6500 seconds, no change for this. 110 minutes, that means 110 multiplied by 60 second, that means 6600 seconds. That means this is smaller, this is larger. 1 whole 3 by 4 hour, that means 7 by 4 hours. That means 7 by 4 multiplied by 60 minutes. That means 105 minutes. And if we multiply 105 by 60, we will get 105 multiplied by 60 seconds equal to 6300 seconds. So from here we can clearly see that this one is the smallest one and it is 1 whole 3 by 4 hours. Next, this 6500 seconds, and the largest one is this 6600 seconds or 110 minutes. Question number 5. 0.67, 7 by 9, 2 by 3, 66%. Here we will convert all of these in decimal shape. 66% means 0.66, because you know that percentage mean 1 by 100. If we divide 66 by 100, we will get 0.66. 2 by 3, it means 0.666 and it will continue. For 7 by 9, if we divide 7 by 9, what will we get? 7 by 9 means 0.777 and it will continue. Now you can see that which one is the smallest. 0.66 is the smallest. That means 66% here is the smallest. After that 0.666 continues, that means 2 by 3. After that 0.67, and finally the largest one is that 0.777, that means 7 by 9. This is our answer. And question number 6, here we can see an example using standard form. 217.3 multiplied by 10 square, that means this decimal will go 2 decimal place rightward. So 21730. 22.6 multiplied by 10 to the power 3, that means this decimal will go 3 decimal places later. 22600. 0.031 10 to the power 5, this will go 5 decimal places away. 03100. 2.5 10 to the power 4, this decimal will go for 4 decimal place rightward. 25000. Now see which one is the smallest one. 3100 is the smallest one. So this will be placed first. Next 2100, 730, this is immediately after that. So we will write this here. Next one is 22,600, that means 22.6 10 to the power 3, and finally this one 25,000 is the largest, 2.5 into 10 to the power 4. Here you can see that 6 examples were of 6 different types. Any types of question can come for 1 mark in your O-level exam, and somehow you need to manage them to write in ascending orders or descending orders as per the demand of the question. And normally these question contain 1 mark only, and in every year, in every paper, these must come in your exam.